Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. And today we're trying to get the handle of screen recording. If it's not going well, then put down the comments down below and I will try and fix something up for you guys. Now, for this video, I just played a few squads and I tried nearly tilted. Now, what you don't want to do in a game of Fortnite is tilt, because this morning I came 5th twice in solos, both 12 LMs in both matches. It's not the best, because as my highest kill game, I'm pretty sure is 16. Not very good, haven't hit 21, but still got there, that's it. And this is my friend, he is a World Cup qualifier. I'm not, because it started last season. I just got killed because I was telling you guys. So we need to loot up real quick, we need to get out there, and we're just going to practice up. This is what I recommend sometimes if you're in a cash cup. Possibly a good warm-up for console players. Also maybe get yourself in a few 1v1s with your mates if they're doing it as well. What I also recommend is cranking 90s and creative, free building, having a bit of time to like talk yourself out of, I don't know, tilting. And if you tilt, try talk to a friend or someone you trust highly about your game, and they will try and improve it, and it will just calm you down. Maybe have a bit of your favourite snack. I don't know. I like to have like a nice Kit Kat or something like that, something sweet that will cheer me up, make me happy. Maybe that will sort you out if you're having a bad day as well. That could possibly be the answer. I'm guessing that if you have a favourite treat, you'll have it on you. If you don't, it's like, that's your sad life in it. That's just a sad life if you never had your favourite treat at your home. I mean, I don't have mine all the time, but at least once a week I have it on me. Hi Flack. How did that not? I'm getting sprayed by a minigun. Like game. This guy's choking like. I think we're both lagging. Hey dude. Wait, there's another guy? Oh, it's him. Oh, he's about to stab him. He's a bit too slow. The heater's chilling. Hehe. Doggy hug. Okay. So if you see me like trying to do stuff like that, it's because I'm used to vlogging, so. I also have Instagram, so that's possibly why. Because I'm used to that sort of entertainment where you don't have anything else to really look at, like chat entertainment. That's what I've been learning growing up. As my family are quite big in that type of thing. They like to do entertaining in like a more modern way, which is possibly tech actually, if I'm entirely honest. But yeah, oh god. Oh my god. Who uses miniguns now? They're vaulted, and in creative they still have them. They still have combats. They're nice. I like combats and flintlocks, to be fair. These are quite nice. No scope, trick shots. Dude, die already. Oh, he's lagging mad. Oh no. He's lagging real bad though. He's lagging like. I tried to make a montage, but I just gave up. I didn't have enough clips. And you know, like, when you buy more storage, and apparently it's nearly all used up. That's what like happens to me all the time. It's just like, oh, you just get annoyed. It's not very nice. Dude, where you at? Oh, oh, Jesus. Holy metal. Dude, chill. Spammer. I know a guy, and he has his name called Kenji Spams. This guy should have his name as Flack Spams. But like, seriously, dude. Get a life. Get some mechanics and build, kid. Yeah, like, that's why they're vaulted, because they're absolutely so overpowered. I get SMG, just spray him and see how he likes it. You know what, let's do just that. Let's do that. I'm gonna keep my AR here, because then you can switch to it quicker. Did you know that? Did you know that? You can... Yeah, I don't really go to school. Yeah, I do. I go to school every day. What we call a living hell in our childhood. Okay, it's not that bad, to be fair. Because you have friends. You don't have friends, then I'll be your friend. Dude, stop right. That is it. I'm going to get a minigun, and I'm going to teach this dude not to mess with people who are trying to talk to random people on Tinder. Dude, he also has attack SMG. Like, what? Alright, I'm getting a minigun. That's it. I'm getting a minigun. I'm getting a minigun on you, and I'm gonna call the police. I'm gonna call the authorities on you. Yeah. Alright, let's find a minigun. Where are they? Where are those? Oh, it's right here. That's nice. I have a minigun. Oh my god, how much damage did it do? 21. That's sick. Holy Jarvis. I like the shotguns do literally 4 times the same. I'm so slow at editing. Wait, where is he? He's there, I can snipe him. Maybe I can't. Right, minigun time. Right, dude, where you at? See, it's not nice, is it? Haha. Haha. No. Where are you? Where are you, dude? No. Where is he? Damn it, I missed my shot. Oh, dude. Haha. 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 How do you like it? It's not nice. Oh. He tried to no-scope me with that hunting rifle? Dude. Do I not get full health after I get an elimination? Is that... Oh god, I choked so bad. I'm still a noob. Okay, I just realised that I cannot edit. And that I should probably go back to just sitting alone. Playing with a pot noodle, dude. Yeah, he's my... I know this guy at school, and he's called Pot Noodle. Yeah, totally. He calls himself Pot Noodle. Just a strange name for a boy. Of his weight. He's not fat, trust me. He's just about his head. Lily, ice cream, it's winter. Like, who has ice cream in winter? Clearly my sister. You know, I went to my friend's house the other day. They asked, do you want ice cream? I was like, yeah, sure. and it was literally frozen solid because it can't melt. So, I'll put it fucking you know, I know it's some treasures, right? Oh yeah. I am not. I think I might end the video. It's not like no title ideas. Probably is nice spraying on a minigun, so I'll spray it out. I'm doing an action video every weekend. So actually, I'll be the judge of that because I am the god of art, you know. I'm the god of everything. I'm the god of being a dude.